Okay, so far so good. The camera is not exploding. Okay. Alright. Today I'm going to show you how to make a fort out of pillows. Right here. You butts monkey off my bed foot thingy, you demon! You cretin! How dare you! God. Jeez, has he no respect? Yo, that was not what I was going to use it for at all. Ah. God, what is this problem? This is my fort. Yeah. So, 40, huh? Yes. Fort. I can't get up from the fort. I am stuck by pillows. Gavin, can you help me? I'm stuck. I've been eaten alive by the pillows. Ow! Ow! Not that hard! Now my head hurts.
Oh, you were recording? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's cool. Okay, it's over.